Hey, what's up everybody? I got this part in. I'm pretty excited about it. It's from Worthy Crew. It's for my GD from STI. The thing is, I can't put a quick release because the way the Karlton flares are. So I ordered this right here. They're pretty cool. They come, see, this is how it goes. It mounts on the top and the bottom next to the light. And right here, they're already pre-made hose. So I had ordered these. They are QL25 mini 1 inch. These screws right here screw into here, and then the quick release goes right there. But this is how it looks. It looks clean. They send you a thank you, which is pretty cool, and a group of stickers. You can't go wrong with stickers. So see how it goes. And it comes with the bolts that you need, and it comes with instructions. See how it mounts up. Can't wait. So I installed my quick release, but this has to go behind here, so I made a mistake there. I just contacted them. They're really cool and got back to me really fast, so I'm happy. So this is the way it should be. This is the way it should be. So this is where you're gonna get your wife mad. You gotta go grab one of her lipsticks and you're gonna put it on the quick release ball. You're gonna put it, and then you get your bumper. You gotta put it there. Then it marks where you need it, right there. This side, you get a little bit better. There, the dot's right there. Here it is on.